welcome back to the vlog. If this is your first time here, I am Shanika Lachey, and if you've been here before, hello. Today is Sunday, which is usually a free day for me. I usually get everything ready for the week for the girls with school and all that stuff when I'm sticking to my schedule, because I'm not always sticking to my schedule. But this week I'm sticking to my schedule so far. So it's technically family day / free day. And as y'all know, we already celebrated our family time over the weekend. So I'm on my way today to get my lashes done. Finally, after 2 years of not getting lash extensions, because I be nervous, y'all. Like, my cousin used to do them for me, and she told me she don't do them anymore. She stopped doing them like almost a year ago, and I haven't found anyone. So me being me, I'm like, you know what, I'm not about to keep asking Facebook and stuff. So I went to Google and just did my own research and, you know, narrowed it down to what I'm looking for in a lash tech outside of just the service. And I found somebody nice. So I'm on my way to her, and then I'll be going, hopefully, if I make it in time somewhere so I can get my brows done, and then go back home and do laundry. Contemplating on cooking dinner. So if I do that, you see how they sound? Whatever. If I get around to doing that, then we gonna go to the grocery store or what have you. Oh, I made the wrong turn. Oh no, I didn't. We gonna go to the grocery store or what have you and get the stuff that I might cook. I'm kind of tired of, like I said before, I'm kind of sick and tired of fast food. And what else? What do I think? I don't think I have nothing else planned. And do laundry and chill for the rest of the day, because I got shit to do. It's like I want to tell y'all right now, but I'd rather wait until everything falls in place first before, you know, sharing my announcement. But starting Monday, I got stuff. I got to get up and get stuff in order. I got a lot of stuff I got to do. But for today, I'm about glam. Oh, and then Tuesday, we got a nail appointment. And y'all gonna come with me so y'all can see Lisa again, because it's been a while since we seen her too, because financially, shit has been tight, you know, like prior to, you know, things going back in place with Tay working and all that stuff. But oh my God, since the club closed, and then it's just and it's like I could easily like, boom, go get a job. But remember, my girls virtual learn at home. The hours are clash. And my kids like me at home. I don't mind. And I don't have to work if I don't want to. Like, we do what works for us. Things still get taken care of. I'm a Jill of many trades, you know? I do a lot. So, I'm going to talk to y'all when we get there. If I don't talk to you when we get there, I'm going to just record. Y'all can see what's going on. And then I'll talk to y'all back at home or in the car, whatever works. And I'll just be touching base, because I'm about to get on the highway soon. And I need to be paying attention, because I have no idea either where I am or where I'm going. So, I'll talk to y'all in a little bit. All right, y'all. So, my last tech told me she was running a little bit late. So, we ran up to Quick Trip. So luckily I'm able to get me a coffee. It is almost 11 o'clock in the morning. I've been up unpacking and, you know, getting back situated from being at that hotel since 7 something this morning. I'm fucking exhausted. So we about to get us a coffee, try to grab something quick out of here to eat, shoot back to her in time. I got about 10 minutes to get there. And yeah, I just wanted to let y'all know that I had to pop in here real fast. So yeah. Now I gotta hurry up and get back around here. I'm so fucking annoyed. I came all the way here. Think I want to get an iced coffee at the fucking Quick Trip just to get here, and it's fucking disgusting. My ice melted before I could even leave out of the fucking place. I was able to get something to eat, but it's too hot for me to eat. Like, what the fuck? They took all day to ring me up. So I went from being early to now being like a few minutes behind. I mean, the lady don't care, but it's just a freaking point. But we're heading back to Amy. Oh my gosh, here come all these cars. Oh, then they didn't even go. Wait till the end to put the blinker on. Okay, so I'm 3 minutes away. We on the road now. Okay, y'all. After 3 long hours, I can finally eat. I'm starving. It's like I'm throwing stuff, I'm dropping stuff. I need to still get my brows done, but let me see once this car pops on. Woo-wee. I took a nice little nap. Okay, it's 2:15, perfect. I got time to get my brows done, so I'm about to find a place to get my brows done, and then I'll talk to you guys a little bit later. But these are lashes with the glasses on. They're not bumping the lens or anything. I have a lot of people who be like, you know, can you wear lash extensions and glasses? Most definitely. So, see y'all in a little bit. Oh, right. So there's been a change of plans, unfortunately, again. So trust me, there's places open to get my eyebrows done, but I don't trust them. The lady that did my lashes said she had suggested me a place to go, but they're closed until tomorrow. So I figured maybe y'all will join me back on here tomorrow then. But the part is, I don't know if I want to just end vlog or if I should just end out a whole day's worth of material, or if we should just end out. I mean, I'm on my way now to get some food. Y'all can come with me as I pick up they McDonald's. I still got my food from Quick Trip I'm gonna eat. I fucking hate McDonald's. I don't even want to bother with McDonald's. So I'm not getting anything, but they're gonna get something, and then I'm legitly in the house for the rest of the day. I have nothing else to do. It's Sunday. I'll be doing laundry and getting my shit together for the week. Yeah, we might end out here, and then I'll catch y'all tomorrow. But I'm not gonna lie, this might end up being a 2-part vid. So if you made it this far, hit subscribe and stay tuned so y'all can come with me tomorrow to get my brows done. And if you like this video, like, comment, share, and the usual. It's no need for y'all to come with me to McDonald's, so we're gonna wrap this shit up. I'll see y'all tomorrow morning. Thanks for hanging out with me.